welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are excited for some more CRV content, because judging by the title of the video, you already know what's up. But before that, I got to give you guys a little bit of a update. So the steering wheel was sitting a little too close to the signal, so I went back on Amazon, which everything's in the description below. I got a 1-inch spacer from Amazon. Best angle, let's see. Here you go. Black 1-inch spacer. It was really affordable. Came literally the next day. So that spaced it out 1 inch. So now, as you guys can see, I have a lot of room, so I don't hit the signal anymore. And then the bolt situation is fixed. I got my titanium bolts that came in. So we're gonna tackle that first. Sun's like in the worst spot. So we're gonna tackle that first. Just switch this out really quick because I am at Kev's house, as you guys can see. Kev EG's detailing the 8th gen. So we can go out later on at night. So I'm gonna swap out these bolts, thread lock them like I did before, and then we're gonna tackle the new CRV grill. I am so excited to be putting this piece on. It's gonna look 100 times better. And yeah, let's get to it, boys. Alright, boys, there you have it. The titanium looks so much nicer on the silver. I gotta clean the steering wheel. Well, I gotta clean the whole car. That'll be a tomorrow job. Also gonna try to polish the Mugen EL myself, with a polishing kit and everything, so that's gonna be dope. But that's another video on its own. But guys, yeah, burnt titanium on Amazon, link in the description on my Amazon affiliates. But come on, we already know what you guys are here for, and it's to see the badass badgeless CRV 0506 grill, and we're gonna get to that right now. And it's honestly like the easiest install you can possibly do. Pop the hood. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove all these clips. Well, really, we just need to remove this one and this one, but we're gonna remove this so that way we can put it over top easily. So it'll be a simple, quick install. All right, boys. Let's pop some clips up. All right, guys. Now with all the clips removed, we can go ahead and...
Am I supposed to zoom in on your face or something?
No. I mean, if you want to, sure, but...
No. You don't have to take it out.
You don't have to take it out. Through. This fishes through. Over here, look.
Well, how are you going to mount it on the new one?
Oh, I'm not putting this on the new
Yeah.
one. I'm saying when I put it on the... what do you call it? When I put this back on in the winter time, because we're not going to get rid of this. We're going to keep it and then mount it back in the winter time because we don't want to ruin the other one. Alright, boys. So this is our Amazon badgeless grill. came in the mail today, as you guys can see. It's got like that galvanized sheet that people would use in the washrooms that they coated black. Then they fiberglassed everything around it. It's not bad, and very, very light. So now what we're gonna do is literally just gonna fish it under here. Line up the holes like so. But overall, it's not bad, the fitment. Gives a bit of an aggressive look to it. Alright, well, let's clip her in. Alright, boys, well, here she is clipped on. I just got to drill this hole out and this hole out on the tab of the grill so I can put 2 clips here for support. The fitment, like Kev stated, it's just this tiny gap here on the bumper and this tiny gap here on the bumper. Guys, grills like this that are custom made by a guy and then they sell it, you know, it is what it is. You're not going to get 100% fitment, but nonetheless, it's a nice look in front of the CRV. You know, it gives it more of an aggressive look. More airflow is going to get in there now, so that's a lot better. So, yeah. Shall we see it with the hood closed? I think so. We closed it, and it keeps pushing all this down, so we definitely got to drill these 2 right now so it supports the grill better, and then that'll be good. I don't know if I want to keep the unibrow on the hood or take it off. I'll close it and you guys decide, let me know. Alright, boys, so Kev's using a step bit, he says it's called, to make a hole so that way the clip will fit. Yep, that's good. So that's how she looks. Oh, she's not bad with the unibrow on. Maybe we'll just keep the unibrow. You guys let me know. Kind of completes the whole front end because the bumper's all black and kind of extends it. But yeah, it's not too bad. Like I said, you can notice the gap there and the gap there. But with these things, you know, the price wasn't so bad. And they don't really offer any other options, so I'll take it. I consider this a W. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little cheeky install. Like I said, like, look at that massive opening, guys. She looks nice and aggressive now. Lots of airflow in there. Perfect. Like I said, I'll keep the OEM one for the winter time so salt and debris doesn't get in there and I don't ruin this one. That's the best option. Because HN is looking fire. You got the legendary EG right here. You know, it's just a nice Friday evening. So that's the plan, guys. Got some more things on the way for the CRV. I'm waiting on spacers. That way I can pop the wheels off, paint the calipers, and then we can do some more things that I got planned. And you'll see the theme that we're going with it after. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.